Alright, well here's the diff cooler. Got the sensor all wired up. And lines ran. It's not the prettiest job I've ever done, but it does work. I had to move this. That's why it looks a little bit awkward. It was ran really nice, but shorten there. Add there. I'll show you what's in the trunk. Alrighty, so coming in, pump through the cooler, back to the diff. Everything's nice and wired up. Ground's good to grounds, powers to the powers. Ground connector switch to the temperature switch. Got the trigger for the patch, little switch panel up front, so the driver can turn on the diff whenever he wants. Hell yeah.